Good morning, Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We've got this nice Royal KH, I think it is. It's about 1930 something, I think. Forgetting now what year this is exactly, but KH model, yes, there's a serial number right there. So we reworked this machine, cleaned and polished it. It is shiny, ready to go. Type's pretty good. Put a cotton ribbon in there at first, but that cotton ribbon was too dark. It is smearing the letters a little bit. So I switched back over to a dark nylon, which is much better. See how that line is right there? That's a lot better. Otherwise, this is all ready to go. Shined up nice. Decals could be better, but, you know, not bad for an 80-year-old. This one's not too bad either, and it's got a service shop sticker here that's been around a while. Well, what we're going to do here on the video is complete this mission. And what this has is, the side panels. And had these panels on it. But we are going to change it out. And we're going to put on some glass panels that we took from a donor machine. I just can't remember now. Okay, I think it's this way. So I'm going to get these on without putting any fingerprints on them. They're perfectly clean. Let's see if I can get this on. Look at that. No fingerprints on that one. Let's do the other side here. Okay, this one, both these had a few chips. There's a little chip there, but I just put some silicone in here and where they're chipped at. Really in pretty good shape for old ones. Okay, let's see. This goes this way. Oh, come on. Let's see. Yep. This one is a little tighter. There it goes. Now the only difference between the machine I took it off of is it's got that piece of frame right in here, but that's okay. Still pretty neat. Definitely better than this thing. That's pretty ugly. That is pretty sharp. Yeah, this is a pretty nice machine. We had to rework the feet. You know how these things compress and they cause all kinds of problems when they're compressed. That's all been fixed. Everything's been fixed. Return arm had some binding. It's flawless now. And look at this. No parts left over except the my little shift dealies, which we put in here because they were completely black, so I reworked the shift button over here. And I went ahead and put my my logo in here. But you can remove that, and the new shift is beneath it, and the old shift is beneath it. So we don't ruin any of the old stuff. We can put it back if we want to. But otherwise, this came out pretty good. It is mint, except for some fingerprints, maybe. Back's not bad. Has some chrome up here on the top of the tabulator. Kind of nice, nice touch. I notice these models vary a little bit on how much chrome is on some of the machines. I'm not sure why. Some machines have certain chrome parts and other ones don't. But That's our completed reconstruction machine, reconstructed Royal. Let's see if I can. Nope, it's not electric. Can't do that. Nice. So that's what I wanted to show, was our new glass panels, basically, on this machine. And they do look nice. Everything else came out pretty good. Did have to rework these lids. There's a little tab underneath here that catches this button. Both of them were bent and didn't want to snap shut right, so that's locked. Now you got to press the button to open it. They wouldn't do that. Either one was just bent a little bit. Got them both working perfect. And everything else is good. Alright, that's our video. Vintage Typewriter. Good day.